Hello Stampers, it's Debbie with Stampin' with Debbie, and today I'm here at Lunch and Learn, my lunch hour stamping, to show you all about the Gorgeous Posies kit. Now if you overlook this in the catalog or online, it is under the kit section. This card kit comes with everything you need. It does not include the stamp set. The stamp set is separate. However, you can use a stamp set that you have, or you can order this stamp set, which is on that same page. It's called Gorgeous Posies, and it would make a really great gift. So I want to show you real quickly everything that comes with the kit. You're going to get, as I said, enough to make 16 cards. It comes with card fronts and card bases, and then it also comes with your envelopes, and then it comes with all these punched out pieces that you stamp on so that you don't have to have any special die cuts. Comes with some added flowers if you want to add those, and here's a few more of the die cut pieces. I'm going to set that aside because I want to show you also it comes with some embellishments, and it's some gorgeous, looks like Highland Heather linen thread, and then also look at this beautiful ribbon. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to set that aside because I'm actually going to create a card today with you just to show you how fun and easy it is to create some cards using a kit. Now, if you have, we are coming up on Christmas time, and if you have someone who loves to craft, this would be a great gift, or for yourself, because it's always fun to just have some directions and be able to create whatever you want. You can follow the directions, or you can just make it your own way. Also, wouldn't this be a great thing? I'm going to show you. I love the cards, don't get me wrong. This is the box that it comes in. I hope that you can see how beautiful it is with all the gold foiling on here on the front. There's a little gold button, and this comes down and holds it closed. And so and the inside is even gorgeous. So if you wanted to create these cards for someone to send out throughout the year, wouldn't that be a beautiful, if they don't craft? You could make up all these cards for them, and it has its own little gift wrap. So I think this kit is fabulous, and I'm just going to make a couple just to show you how quick and easy it is. Now these, it always does come with instructions, and it tells you exactly how to make something. So I'm going to gather my pieces here. I'm going to do a blushing bride background. And along with this and this, and I'll need a little bit of ribbon and one of those little sheets of stickers. So because we're not doing any ribbon around the card, we can go ahead and attach this. Now you can attach it with dimensionals, or you can attach it with just glue. I think I'm just going to do regular adhesive because I'm going to try to pop some of my other pieces up. Of course, make sure your card base is facing the correct way, and stick that right on there. Now I'm going to use the circle that it comes with, and this one says get well soon. I don't always have a lot of need to use get well soon, so I actually might change this one up. I'm going to see if this stamp will fit on here. No, it won't. So probably what I would do on this one, because I don't have a lot of get well soon, I would change mine to thinking of you, or this one says celebrate your day, and I like that. So I'm just going to get my Highland Heather ink here, and ink that up really well. And it looks like I maybe should have used Gorgeous Grape. I think I'm going to grab that. And my ink might need to be refilled a little bit, so that might also be the problem. I want you to be able to see it. So I'll use that one for the next one and ink it up a little more. All right, so I have my greeting now. I did use the Gorgeous Grape. I think the directions say Highland Heather, but it's, like I said, I needed to ink up my stamp pad. So I'm going to do that. And then in the instructions, they had this ribbon behind here going this way. So since I changed up the banner piece, I'm just going to change this just a little bit. So I'm going to cut banners on the end of both of my ribbons. Now I'm going to move my ribbon so my kitties don't think that it's something to play with. Okay, so I'm going to start with the tail end here. I might have cut this too long, and I'm just going to weave it back and forth. And I'm going to put it under just like that. Now, how I like to secure mine when I'm putting ribbon onto the back of a card piece, I just put a little strong adhesive there. And then I kind of weave it in there. Now, we'll have this loose piece here. So I'm just going to take a glue dot. I could actually just use my adhesive too. I'll do that. I'll lift this up. So I want to make sure my ribbon's not going to go wonky when it's on the back of my card. I'm going to turn over and make sure it's still how I want it to be, and it is. And then I'm going to get my dimensionals because I want to pop that piece up. I like to put a dimensional over the ribbon. And I'll take those off the backing. So now all I have to do is put that right in the center. Nope, looks like it's a little bit crooked. Ooh, I always hesitate taking that off. Ooh, it worked out. Okay, now I want to put some of these little flower pieces here, just kind of on the edge. And so I'm going to put that right here. I don't really think that I need a dimensional because it's over the ribbon and on the flat part of the celebrating. Now, normally I would like to put some rhinestones or something on here, but with as sparkly as this paper is, I don't think I'm going to. So I'm going to set that one aside and I'm going to grab another one. We'll just do one more. And this time I'm going to do the purple posy. And I'm going to do this card front here. I'm grabbing my greeting. This one I'm going to do wishing you comfort and peace at this time, which is a great, could be used for a lot of things. Could be used for a sympathy card, or if someone's just going through a hard time. So again, I'm going to use my Gorgeous Grape since my Highland Heather looks like it needs to be inked up a little bit. And you guys, I forgot to say welcome. I'm so sorry. That was so rude. Welcome to Lunch and Learn. If it's your first time, welcome and thank you for joining us. And go ahead and click the like button or follow button and you'll never miss any of my projects. Also, if you're following me on YouTube right now, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button. I would love for you to get all the notifications so that you never miss any projects. And be sure and tell your friends about my channel and share with them so that they also can join in our stamping fun. So I have wishing you comfort and peace. And this card is going to go this way. And again, you can change it. Like, this is how they have it. But I actually think I might make it a landscape card this time. Since that one was portrait, I like to change it up a little. Do you guys like kits? Leave me a comment and let me know if you like kits. I like to design cards and I like to design projects, but I really like to design kits, or not design kits, stamp with kits as well, because sometimes I just like to create cards and I don't want to have to think about what I'm creating. I like someone else to design it. So that works for me sometimes, to just let somebody else design it and I get to have all the fun. Okay, now what I did with this piece, I just cut about 2 inches. I did do a banner on each edge. And now I have all my pieces. I'm going to put this one here. I want to put this little piece of ribbon coming out from underneath. And then I'm also going to add a couple of those little purple flowers. So for this ribbon, I just ran a little bit of adhesive. And I'm going to put it right on there. Of course, this one I'm going to pop up with some dimensionals. And then I'll just kind of center it over that ribbon. And then now I want to take my flowers that I have here. And I'm going to pop that out. And I think I'm going to do one over here. And I actually think I'm going to grab some of these leaves. I'm not sure which ones I'll want, so I'll just grab a couple different ones. I'll start with the flower. And then I can know where I want to go from there. And then I think what I'm going to do is, yeah, I'm going to put a leaf behind there. I'll put the biggest one behind there. And then putting some adhesive, liquid adhesive might work better for this. And then I think I'll just put one there. Now, I kind of feel like I need a dimensional behind this one because it's kind of hanging over the side there. So I'm going to cut a dimensional in half. And I'm just going to slide it right under there. And now it's kind of popped up like the rest of the card is. So I think that's good. I'm just going to do I want one more? Yeah, I probably do. I'm going to pop one more. This one I won't do a dimensional because it's over the front of the card. So there's that one. So what do you think? We could even, let's do it since we have some of this really pretty twine here. I'm going to make a bow. And again, like I said, you can follow along with the instructions, or since there's 16 cards, you could do some of the cards like the directions that come with it state, and then you can make some of your own designs, which I think is always fun. So I'm just going to roll my glue dot and put my little bow right there. And I think I'll put it over here. Just kind of balances out the card a little bit. So how pretty is that? Who wouldn't love to get this as a gift? Like I said, if you have a crafter who likes to make crafts, that would be an awesome gift to give them. Or if you want to make the gift up for them, then you can do that too. So leave me a thumbs up or a comment. Let me know what you think about this kit and how much you love it or you don't love it. It's my colors. I like purples and pinks and blues, and I really love all the gold little speckles. So this just is a really fancy and beautiful card kit, and I hope that you enjoy it. Let me know if you have another kit that you really like, and maybe I can do a demonstration on that as well. I hope you have a great rest of your day and you have a great rest of your lunch hour. I'll see you again soon.